Hello everyone, welcome back to Animation. As we are discussing about the algebraic expression, so far we have discussed about how many types of algebraic expressions are there and how to find out the degree of the algebraic expressions. There are 4 types of algebraic expressions. They are monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomial, right? So I think so you have clearly watched that video and you have clearly understood how many types of algebraic expressions are there and how to find out the degree of the particular expression, right? So I think so that video was clear for you all, and today we are going to see. So before going to see, as usually, please do subscribe, like and share and watch the video till the end, or else you are going to miss some concept, whatever I am going to say. Clear? Should not miss the concepts, whatever I am going to say. So watch the video till the end. Clear? So like algebraic expressions are a quite important topic. After algebraic, like linear equations also we are going to see about it. Clear? So that's the reason from the basics I have started algebraic expressions. Clear? If you know the basic, if a foundation is good, then complete whatever study knowledge you are going to get, it will be quite easy. So first of all, our basic knowledge should be good. If we have a basic knowledge, then we are going to do our best in the maths. Clear? So today we are going to discuss about how to add an algebraic expressions. Addition of an algebraic expression. We know addition we know, everyone know. Even I know, like small children also know, like second, third class girls, first, second, third girls. What is an addition? Everyone know. But algebraic addition is quite different, right? So algebraic expressions addition is quite different, and I am here to help you out in how to add them in easy way. Clear? So see the video till the end and even share with your friends. They may also have any doubts in the algebraic expression. So by seeing this videos, they can clearly understand the concept of algebraic expressions. Clear? So now, today what was my concept is about? Addition of the algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression additions can be done in 2 ways. One is horizontally, vertically. So I am going to explain you the both. Whichever you feel easy, that you follow. Clear? Whichever you feel easy, that you follow. Both I am going to explain. So by taking an example, I am going to explain you both the one horizontal and vertical. Whichever you feel easy, that you must use. Clear? Then first problem, 2x square plus 3y plus 2 should be added with 3y plus 4 plus 3x square. Okay? So what we'll do now? So we'll do the horizontal one first. Horizontal addition we'll do. Okay? See, step by step I'll say. First step what I am doing means the total first expression what should be added with the what na? The first step as it is I am writing the first expression. See, this is my first expression, 2x square plus 3y plus 2. In a bracket I am writing. Just don't get confused why I am using brackets means separate the term, like separate the expressions. This is my first expression, this is my second expression, right? You should not get confused which is my first and second. That's the reason I am using first bracket for the first expression. What operation we are going to do here? Addition. Add. Plus. Then use a bracket again for this. 3y plus 4 plus 3x square. Okay? Now close the bracket. This is what our addition of the 2 algebraic expressions. Now next step. This is my first step. In the next step, I am going to open the brackets. You may you may think like, what is the use of using the brackets? If you know clearly how to add directly without using brackets, we can do it. But when we are in basics, right, we must use the brackets. Okay? First expression with the bracket and second expression with the bracket. Okay, now we are going to open it. See, 2x square plus 3y plus 2. Now if here plus and if here nothing is there, what it is? Plus. Now plus into plus how much? Plus. 3y plus into plus plus 4 plus into plus 3x square. Okay? Done. We have opened the brackets. Now all the x square terms together you write. All y terms together you write. All constants you write together. Now 2x square. Where is my one more x square? Here it is. I'll write with another pen. One more x is what? 3x square plus over anything else like x square terms are there? Not there. Over. Then next what? 3y plus again here also one 3y term is over. Second is also 3y. So I am writing 3y. Then next 2 over. Then next what is remaining? 4. Okay. Now count. If you get any confused, all the terms came or not. Like it is very small expression, but you are having big expressions to add also. Right? You have to count them. Like all the terms came or not. Here how many were there in the bracket? Here how many were there in the bracket? That you have to check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Now here that 6 came or not, that you have to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sure. Now, whatever x square are there can be added up together. So what happens? X square will be written as it is. Variable is not going to be done anything there. Variable will be the same thing as it is we should write. X square will be written as it is x square. Now what will be going to be changed? The 2 is added with 3. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. Plus. Now y will be as it is. 3 plus 3 how much? 6. Plus 2 plus 4, 6. Whatever the variables are same, like y and y same, so added together. X square same, added together. 2 plus 4, 6. So this is our sum of 2x square plus 3y plus 2 and 3y plus 4 plus 3x square. Clear? This is the way how you are going to use in horizontal addition. Now we'll see the same thing in vertical addition. So in the vertical addition, the first step is what means you're supposed to write the first expression here. Clear? As it is the first step. 2x square plus 3y plus 2 as it is, you write it off. Now, second expression is there, right? That should be, we have to arrange ourselves. Like 3y is there first. So it should go under 3y. Right? Under y variable. Here, 3y is there. Where is our y variable here? Which symbol is there for it? If nothing is there, it is plus, right? Plus 3y. Over by 3y. Next is what? 4. 4 is having which symbol? Plus 4. So plus 4 should go under the number constant. Then 3x square should go under the 2x square. It is also having a plus. Which operation we must do? Addition. When we are doing addition, what? Directly we can add 2 plus 4, 6. Plus y as it is, 3 plus 3, 6. X square as it is, 2 plus 3, 5. Clear? Actually, this is very easy. This is easy. Vertical one is very easy directly. But some children will be feeling like how to write a step on step, variable to variable. They'll feel little difficult. Okay? So I think so. This example is clearly understood by you people. One more example I give. Here all plus. So it will be easy. In middle, if minus is there, what happens? We'll see. So my second example, now we are going to see my second example, both in vertical and horizontal we are going to see. Okay. My second example is 3p square minus 2q square minus 3. Okay. Added to 4 minus 6p square minus 2q square. Okay. This is our expression. We should add it. Okay. First we are going to do horizontal. Same. What was my first step actually? We have to write them in a bracket. So 3p square minus 2q square minus 3 plus 4 minus 6p square minus 2q square. Over. Then 3p square minus 2q square minus 3. Second step was about to open the brackets. Plus into plus, plus 4. Plus into minus, minus 6p square. Plus into minus, minus 2q square. Okay, now the terms should be segregated in themselves. Whatever p should come together, q should come together. Like that we're supposed to make them. Okay, first 3p square over. Wherever p square term is there, 1 here is there, here it is. What it is? Symbol is there, minus 6p square. Okay, if you want you can place a bracket like this, like we will not get any confusion there. Then next comes plus, next term is what? Minus tq square over q square here, again a minus 2q square plus 3, minus 3 plus 4. Now add 1 plus 1 minus. We are supposed to add it? No, right? We are supposed to subtract it. 6 minus 3 how much? 3 p square. Whichever biggest number, whatever the sign is there, that must be written. Right? 6 is having minus sign. So you must write minus plus minus 2 minus minus. Both the minus are there at the time we are supposed to add. The symbol will be minus only. When they are having both minus, you are supposed to add them 4q square, but it should be represented by minus plus minus 3 plus 4. What it is? 1. So open the bracket, 3p square minus 4q square plus 1 is the answer. Clear? If we have minus in between the terms, then it will be like carefully you must do it. Okay. Now the vertical one we'll see. The same as it is, the first expression has to be written like this. 3p square minus 2q square minus 3. Now the second expression, see, 4 is there. It is having a symbol plus. That should be written under it, plus 4. Then minus 6p square under p square term, under q square term. Add it. Minus plus. So you're supposed to subtract 1. Bigger number is having positive. So we are writing plus. Q square as it is. Both are having minus. So you must minus. Means you must add them. The symbol should be minus. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. Now p square as it is. 6 minus 3. One is having plus symbol and another one is having minus. So you have to subtract it. 6 minus 3, 3. Bigger number is having minus symbol, so minus. So this is your answer. Same, right? Here in horizontal one, quite difficult steps like step on step, step on step. Carefully you are supposed to do it. But in vertical one, if you write them correctly, you are going to get the correct answer. Clear? If you have any doubts in the addition of the algebraic expression, you can comment me. I am here to help you out. Clear? More examples you can solve it and give the answer. I am going to give you one question. I'll see the comment box now. I'll check the comment box. Everyone must answer this question. Clear? 3xy plus 4z added with minus 6xy plus 2z. Okay? So I think I'll be waiting for your answer. You must comment the answer in the comment box. Okay? Thank you. Stay tuned to Vani Vision.